Before a fire-rated attic ladder reaches the market, it undergoes rigorous testing at a laboratory in accordance to the ASTM E119 and NFPA 288 standards. FAKRO's LMF60 fire-rated attic ladder is installed into a test frame designed to replicate a residential ceiling opening. Every detail follows the installation requirements to ensure accurate real-world testing conditions. Temperature sensors are placed throughout the assembly to monitor heat transfer during the test. The furnace follows a standardized time temperature curve that simulates the conditions of a developing house fire. As temperatures continue to rise, technicians closely monitor the ladder's structural integrity and check that flames and excessive heat do not pass through to the protected side. The result? The FAKRO's LMF60 successfully achieved a 60-minute fire resistance rating, helping provide valuable time and added protection when every second counts. To learn more about FAKRO's fire-rated attic ladders, contact us today.